Hey friends, welcome back. For those of y'all who don't know me, my name is Camille Batton, and I'm actually in a different environment right now because I'm in our Airbnb that my husband and I just started. So it's still in the process of getting work done. We have to do basically a full renovation. So I got some stuff here and I just want to do a review of what the Airbnb looks like right now. I stated a couple of videos ago that I'm actually getting stuff from Goodwill, Yard Sales, and Salvation Army just because I personally want to do it really cheap because it might get messed up or destroyed and I don't want to spend a lot of money because of that reason. So these are a couple items that I got from Yard Sales and Goodwill throughout this whole video. I basically haven't paid full price and went to a store to buy anything yet. So come along with me for the Airbnb tour. First off, we have the Airbnb living room, and this is what it looks like so far. And sorry if it's still cluttered, we are still working on it. So I got actually this TV stand from Goodwill for $5. This was given to me. This was given to me as well, and all the other little knickknacks I got from Yard Sales or Goodwill. I still don't know what I want to do for the mantle. And I actually got this Lazy Boy sleeper couch from Goodwill for $55. And this is what the living room looks like so far. Next, we move on to the dining room area, which is connected to the living room. Sorry about, again, all the mess, but it's a very small house, so it's compact together. We have this white stand that was actually built into the house, so we are painting it, and I'm just going to decorate it with, fake plants and stuff. And then I actually got this dining room set from a yard sale for 30 bucks. Again, of course, it's messy. DVDs for the Airbnb so people can watch. And then I actually got this horse picture from Salvation Army for $6, and that's what it looks like so far. Next up is the kitchen. Of course, we still are in the process of fixing this up. We're going to rip the cabinets out and then repaint this with new hardware. And then right alongside here is going to be a coffee little stand. I have a little table that I got from Goodwill for 20 bucks, which I'll pan around in a second. And then the refrigerator, and we still need a stove, and this is what the kitchen looks like. Very small, but for an Airbnb stay. Next up is, of course, the bathroom. Sorry if it's echoey, but we did a full renovation on the bathroom. This actually used to be a window, so we took that out, built that in to, of course, have this built in for the Airbnb so people can put shampoos, conditioner, whatever they need. And we just put this tile in and basically sheetrock the walls. So we just need, of course, mirrors and stuff like that, but fully renovated and it's good to go. Now we move on to bedroom number 1. Technically, this is not a bedroom because of the washer and dryer in it, but we're just going to make it a small bedroom with a day bed and a desk and call it done so more people can stay in this Airbnb. Now we move on to bedroom number 2, and like I stated, again, sorry about all the mess. This is all the kitchen items, and since we're working on the kitchen, we just stuck it in here. But this bedroom is done. This is just a full-size bed. Of course, everything's spread out, but everything was from Goodwill or either Yard Sales. Now we move on to bedroom number 3. And this is what it looks like. Still, everything is disorganized. I still have to fix it up, but this is what it looks like so far. So that is a small Airbnb tour for y'all. I know everything's still cluttered and spread around, but y'all get the gist of it. I hope to have it up and running maybe in another month or so. We have some situations where we ran across like fixing the kitchen and stuff like that, so that's going to take a little bit more time. But overall, I have spent hardly nothing on this house getting it furnished and just going to Goodwill and Yard Sales and saving money. That's the best thing to do, and it's coming along really well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Until next time, bye guys.